Hi everybody, if you've been wanting to use Flipgrid in your classroom, whether you're teaching in person or remote, I just wanted to give you a quick overview and get you started easy as possible. You can use Flipgrid in a variety of ways, and because there are so many different things you can do with this tool, I'm going to break this video up into sections. This one, we're just going to get you started with your groups and a topic, show you how to use the camera, and you can be up and running and just stick with that just for the first month or so. But there are other great aspects of the tool, and I will make some other short videos to help highlight them. Over the summer, I used Flipgrid with my remote students to help sort of build that sense of classroom community. The kids did lots of videos about show and tell and letting us get to know who they are, and their peers could like and comment. So it was really such a great tool. So let me show you how to get started with your own groups and your own topics. So once you sign up for Flipgrid, you are going to be landing on this discussion page. There are, as I said, all of these aspects I could talk about separately, but today we're just going to talk about the discussion page. Once you're there, you're going to either have topics or groups. You're not going to have any when you first start. They'll just be blank down here. You can see I have two groups because I've been using Flipgrid over the summer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is this blue one, create a group. You could just start with a topic, but I'm going to start this way. This is definitely not the only way, but it's just a quick, easy way. Once you click create a group, you are going to have this pop up, and you're just going to name your group. You can name it just like the name of your class, like I named mine last summer, Summer Wilson with Mrs. Perone. So you can name it, whatever your topic is. And then your join code, you can see they gave me a join code automatically. And then I actually changed it to be something that I could remember more easily and my students could remember more easily. And they'll let you know if it's available when you type it in. You want to make sure that if your students are joining by email, that you just put in that code right here after the @ symbol. So here we have @ and my school email. You can also add the adult school email in there in case you want to have, a guest in, the principal or a co-teacher, and then they could sign in too. And then after you do that, it's so easy. You're just going to be able to share your group, and you can either share it on Google Classroom, which would be a nice, easy way to let the kids know about this group. Or you could copy the link and share it in a Bitmoji classroom or through an email, whatever makes sense for you. And then you are ready to go. You have a group. So once you have your group, my group is called RLA with Mrs. Perone for this example. I'm going to want to start my first topic. So I'm going to click on Add a Topic. Now, once you do that, you're going to get this button will pop up, and you're going to be able to put the title, and I'm going to make an introductory video introducing myself and inviting the students to do the same. So I'm just titling it, Welcome to the RLA. And I have kind of like a picture of homes because it's a remote learning situation. Now, if you go onto Flipgrid and try to put in these emojis, it's not going to work. I like to add emojis to my description or my prompt because I think it makes it a little bit more fun. I could have just said, just tell us your name, grade, and a few things about yourself, such as your hobbies, and then none of these would be there. Pets, games, music. See you soon. You could do that. But if you want to add emojis, all you have to do is go to getemoji.com, and then you can just copy and paste these things into your prompt. I think it makes it a little more interactive. You can even put things like a video camera or some kind of like microphone or different things like that to prompt the kids to know they're about to make a video. Then you can select the recording time. You can select 30 seconds, 45, a minute, minute and a half, 5 minutes, things like that. You'll pick the one. Just remember, you're going to have to watch all these videos, so you might want to keep that limited a little bit. And there are some other options too. But you can just stick with that for now. And I always like to do video moderation because I like to make sure that everything's appropriate before I add it to the group. And then just click Create Topic. So this is just that same slide, just a little bit lower down. You can see the video moderation button right here. And now you have all these options. You can add all of these different things to your topic, but what I decided to add is record a video. And when I say I'm going to record a video and add it to my topic, it's going to be sort of like an explainer video or an example or any kind of thing that will help the kids to be successful with this prompt. So once I clicked record a video, this is the button that popped up or the window that popped up, and you can see that I can record a video. Now I can just record my video, just plain and simple, use it as a simple recording, or I can click on the little magic wand and I can have all these choices. I can add filters, frames, emojis, text. I can draw. I can have a board, which I can slide back and forth to have a little bit of the board showing or a lot of the board showing. And then you can add photos. There are a lot of other options. I'm just going to tell you the most basic to keep it simple to get you started. So you can see here, this is a frame that I chose, but I actually went with this frame you'll see on the next page. Now I haven't even started recording yet. I'm just setting up my screen so it looks the way I want it to look. I added text. I'm saying, hi, I'm Mrs. Perrone. Since this is an introductory video, I have the board. You can see here this green board. I can drag it all the way here and just see a small bit of myself, or I can drag it back here and use it as sort of a nice way to share information in a clean background. Once I like my setting, or all of the little options that I have, all my effects they call them, I'm just going to click the record button and continue to record until I'm finished. Now, I did have a 1 minute set on there, so I have to keep that in mind, and there is a countdown at the top when you do that. Once you're finished recording, you can just hit next, and they'll prompt you to take a selfie, and that will be the sort of like the icon that the kids see when they look at the topic. Once you've done that, it will show up right here into the bottom of the topic. This is where the moderation is. This is where the media is. And then I'm going to click on Create Topic. It's that. So we're going to just jump over to Flipgrid here, and I'm going to show you what the topic looks like. Here it is. Welcome to the RLA. And you can see that I added little pieces of little emojis to help make it seem more user-friendly. And then here is my explainer video. Watch this. Hi everybody, we're excited to meet you here at the Remote Learning Academy. Take a moment and click on the red camera below and make a little quick clip to introduce yourself to us. You can see here I added some text boxes with my name, hi I'm Mrs. Perrone, and some emojis to show I'm excited to get to know you. Okay, and then this was the selfie that I took at the and so they'll be able to read the prompt, watch the video, and then record their own response. So you might want to meet with your students live on your Zoom or Google Meet and show them the camera, go through the pieces with them so that they feel comfortable. But honestly, it's very intuitive and the kids will really just rise to the occasion without a doubt. Then you can hit the share button so that the kids will know that this is available. Once you hit the share button, you can get this link and you can put that in a Bitmoji classroom or whatever you would like. Or you can just click here and it will be added to your Google Classroom. And you just make it an assignment. So it couldn't be easier. I hope you feel comfortable on Flipgrid in the discussion tab, making a group, making a topic, and sharing it with your students. One of my favorite tech tools. And I hope you feel like you're ready to get started with Flipgrid. Thank you. Bye-bye.